Jeremy Kyle reflected on the recent Prince Harry and Meghan Markle stories on his TALKRADIO show and spoke with royal commentator Richard Fitzwilliams about their latest legal battle with associated newspapers. But the conversation quickly moved on to the Sussexes' popularity, with Mr. Fitzwilliam arguing the couple saw their popularity sink after claims made in the Oprah Winfrey interview began to unravel. But Mr. Kyle was dismissive of the claim and instead argued it was not what was said, but it was the disrespect towards the Queen which made public opinion turn. Speaking on TALKRADIO, Mr. Kyle discussed the Duke and Duchess of Sussex amid their legal battle with associated newspapers. Mr. Fitzwilliams told the station Meghan had broken the cardinal rule in the royal family, which was not to take court action. He explained the decision to sue the Mail on Sunday put her in a dangerous position, and said details of her life which she may want to keep private could be revealed in court. As the royal expert discussed Meghan and Harry's interview with Oprah Winfrey, Mr. Kyle interjected and gave his assessment on why the royal couple lost the British public's respect. He said, "I think a lot of British people, a lot of people in this country. I don't think it was the interview. I don't even think it was what was said, the legality, truth or whatever behind that. That's not the case. I think the British people have a huge unequivocal love and support for the Queen, and I think when you consider what the Queen had been through in terms of losing her husband, who at that point was very ill, and the stoic way she does a job, that for me is where I imagine they lost a lot of respect because of the lack of respect they showed to the monarch of this country, who has been doing her job for 70 years without ever complaining about it. That's where I think it really lies." Mr. Fitzwilliam agreed and said polls suggest that in the UK, but argued Meghan was not interested in the support of the British public. He also was confused as he did not understand why Meghan would want to have these public rifts played out in the way they were if she wanted to be a philanthropist activist. Mr. Fitzwilliam also believed Meghan may be looking towards a political future with Mr. Kyle remarking it happened with Donald Trump, so anything was on the table. Meghan Markle has come under fire after she issued an apology to the Court of Appeals after she forgot about allowing a former aide to speak with the authors of her biography, Finding Freedom. The Sussexes' former Communications Secretary Jason Naff revealed the news in a statement to the court. Harry and Meghan claimed they had no involvement in the writing of the book. Mr. Naff said, "While the authors discussed it with me as part of normal contact with the Kensington Palace press office, the Duke and Duchess later authorized specific cooperation in writing in December 2018.